Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at adding an email to some lifecycle automations here. So obviously we're going to go into lifecycle automation and we're going to go into whichever pipeline it is that we want to work with here. So I will just use we'll say a claims pipeline. So potential claims. And then I'm going to click this little drop down button, or I can click the plus. It doesn't really matter. Same thing is going to happen either way. So once I click that, I can have this button right here, send an email. And now from here, I have a lot of options that I can do. I can create a brand new template from scratch right here as I am creating the step in the automation. Or if I've already got a template that I want to use, let's just go ahead and grab that. It'll pull that one up as well. So if you are creating a template, it'll ask you just to create the template name. So I'm just going to say template name, subject, and this is an email. Now you also notice that you have placeholders for both the subject line as well as the body of the email. So placeholders are going to be things like first name, last name, agent name, policy info. There's all kinds of great placeholders that are in here. Your custom fields will also show up down here at the bottom, right? So favorite sports team, new field, whatever, all of that stuff will show up. Some new things that they just rolled out is the service ticket assignee email signature. That's a lot of words, but just saying whoever this comes from, it will put that agent's email signature at the bottom. This is really cool because they didn't have this previously. So this is a really good feature that they just added. So service ticket email assignee, which means my sender is going to be, we'll just say the service ticket assignee, not a big deal, but you can pick any of the people here, or you can pick a specific person, right? So these are everybody that's in the service team. So service ticket assignee. Recipient, you can choose something specific, primary customer, email address, whatever. You can also just automatically infer it from the customer information. So if they've emailed you from a specific email address, it'll just send it to that one. It's kind of a cool one as well. So, and then over here, you've got your triggers. So it'll be as soon as it enters the potential stage is when this email will go out. Which is probably going to be recommended since this is going to be a manually created service opportunity here. So we're going to send it immediately on the current day. But if I wanted to delay it, I can just click on this guy here and then I can schedule a time. I can send it at noon 3 days from now. And then again, with all of the filters and the segments you can use here for specific policies, carriers, service categories, this will be a good one. I only want this to go for claim service categories. All priorities, any tags, doesn't matter, and I'm not going to exclude any tags. So once you do that, since we created this template, we're going to save it. And if I go into my templates, we will have a new one called template name. And here it is right here, showing up on business day 3, claim services, and it's out. And that's it. Easy as that. Thanks, guys.